Hey guys, how are we doing? This is just a quick little video talking to you about how to what's it called, search on Google. So to do that, just open up this link, and yes, you'll need to pip install Google. So pip install Google, and I already have installed. Yeah. Okay, so then you have to copy this code here. Just click on this copy little button and copy everything, and open your favorite editor, whatever. So then, the things that are important here is this. Let me just change that to. So this is the query, which simply is what you search. So yeah, over here, this is the number of times. So if I run this and save this actually. So let's open this up and let's just run this up. This, yeah. There we go. So this prints out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this prints out the number of links basically, and yeah, that is how you do it. So that is going to be how much. This was in 1 minute. This is a very small video, but that is a very simple thing. So yeah, this is the code, and yeah, that will be it for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, bye bye.